What's going on, guys? It's Drew back with another video, and today I'm super excited because I've got a special guest that is going on a mission with me today to find some good deals. Whoop, hold on. I'm hopping in the van right now. I got my friend, Mr. Tom Kern.
Welcome to Garbage Van.
Hey, we're at the Garbage Van. We're heading to a Goodwill that I've never been to today. We're gonna try to find some deals. Tom is the king of thrift, the king of deals, the king of Goodwill, the king of flip, all of that good stuff. So he is gonna show me his ways on how he finds good clothing. He's in his thrift store finest right now. Even those probably fancy sunglasses.
They're from the thrift store.
Look at that.
Yeah. They're not that fancy. They're Lucky.
They look like Ray-Bans.
They're Lucky brand,
but I got mine at a garage sale for free.
That's an even better deal.
So the story with these is there was 3 pairs of sunglasses and like the Chanel's I was telling you about.
Okay.
And she wanted a quarter for each of them. I gave her a $5. She didn't have change and she said, just take them. So I was like, all right, sweet. So anyway, we're gonna head to the Goodwill. We're going to see what we can find and hopefully get some good deals and take you guys along for the ride. So I hope you enjoy this video. Look at the size of this Goodwill. Holy smokes. Wow, this thing is huge. I can't believe I've never been here before. Look at the size of the sign. I mean, jeez.
How's it going?
So, we're here at the Goodwill. Asher stole my selfie stick, so I'm gonna have to hold my camera here, but that's okay. We're gonna check out this big store here. All right, so Tom's taking me to the carts because apparently that's where all the good stuff is. They put it out each day and it's not even on the shelf yet. So we're gonna go try to find the carts that have the bins, and I think Tom's already scoped them out. So let's go see what's on them.
See all these people that basically hang out here all day. And as the stuff comes out, just grab the good stuff and throw it in there. See, like you've got the nice pouch.
So take a look, see. Batman tin? Oh, it's like an actual Batman.
I don't know what that is.
Looks like some type of like medicine that you see in those like fancy commercials. It's like symptoms might be death, stroke, heart attack, vomiting, severe diarrhea. Alright, so I found this bartending kit right here. It looks like it's missing some stuff right here, like maybe the original shaker. Or maybe nothing's even supposed to be there, I don't know, but it has the original key in there, as you can see, and everything looks like it's here for this part and in really good shape. It's like $5, and they're selling on eBay for anywhere from 20 to 35, depending on the model and the condition. So I think I'm gonna keep this one in the cart and hopefully pick it up. I think you're liking that doll a little too much. Tom just saw a fresh cart and it is being taken over by people. This is insane. They're like savages. They haven't even been able to get the cart on the floor and people are just like taking over. This is crazy. I've never seen this before. All right, so I'm over here by the carts and I just ran into this guy. His name's Manny. He does some sales and eBay flipping. He actually sold a LeBron James basketball card for $12,000.
You know, I'm regretting that every single time I think about that because I know it's a great investment. It's probably going to be worth more, but you know, just to flip like that, I mean, that's pretty awesome to do.
Yeah, that is insane. So guys, he's been doing it, he said, for about 5 years, and he just comes to the Goodwills, looks for stuff. He does real good with baseball cards and sports cards, but he flips other stuff too. His total on eBay, I'm not gonna tell you, but it's insane for a 60-day total. I thought mine was good at like 1,500 bucks. So he's killing it over here. So just to show you, I just ran into somebody random at Goodwill, and there's other people doing it too. So if he can do it and I can do it, you can do it. So thanks, Manny. Nice to meet you.
No problem.
All right, so I found this bag of Beanie Babies, and I think some of them are like original tie with tags. So I'm gonna go through them and see if there's any that are worth any money. This is a hedgehog with tag, 1998. Fox with tag, 1996. Dolphin with tag, 1996. Scoop the pelican with tag protector, 1996.
That's like the original stuff.
Yeah. This is a 1995 with tag. 1993 chocolate mousse. So I just went through the Beanie Babies, and there's probably about 6 of them that were good with tags, and they were older. They averaged between like $2 to $6 each, which is a lot lower than I thought they were. And the bag was $9 for all the animals. So I think I'm gonna leave that one for now and move on and see if we can find something else. I found this old Coca-Cola cup right here as I was just browsing through the shelves for 99 cents. So I'm gonna just look it up and see if I can find anything. Seen a couple of these on eBay before, all the different suits. Gotta have the whole set though. There's another one of the Coca-Cola cups to match my second one right here. So I'm gonna look those up and see if I can sell them as a set of 2 glasses. For dad mug. I have a super mom mug, so I'm gonna go with the super dad mug, put that in there. Found this vintage Pittsburgh Penguins jersey, selling on eBay for $20 to $30. Sold $4 at Goodwill. Definitely gonna. All right, let's see what we got here. Some Nikes. Shirt, all red. I don't know why. Penguins jersey. Got a couple of mugs and a tennis racket. Okay, we are heading out from Goodwill. I could literally stay there all day. Tom made me leave because he wants to take me to another store.
There's more fish in the sea, buddy.
There's more fish in the sea. There's plenty of fish at that Goodwill though. Anyway, met that really cool guy, Manny. We talked for a while. I don't know why I'm talking so loud. I just get excited. He was telling me some stories about some baseball cards that he has that he buys on eBay and he flips. He buys baseball cards for like $5 and flips them for $1,000 on eBay. It's insane.
This is a little one.
All right, this is a little one, according to Tom, but looks like has potential.
We're near Winter Park, so a lot of times
more
valuable stuff will get dropped.
Can get here. Okay, yeah. So my goal is to find something that Tom can flip today and sell on eBay. We'll see. I'm gonna make it happen.
Competition here is not fierce like at the other one.
We're going straight to the carts.
Straight to the car.
Tom's favorite. Looks like these ones have been picked a little bit. Ooh, blank DVDs, brand new. This is a steal right here. This is an easy flip on eBay, blank DVDs. Anything, if you ever see blank VHS tapes, people pay like $6 per tape, blank VHS tapes. Crazy. So many. Squawk. Wait, what you got there? What you got there? Hello Kitty clock.
You know? You never know.
I mean, I think you could resell it. I think you could resell it. No, I think you could resell it. Yeah, baby. Hold on, open the door. Selfie stick. Much better than the other one I bought. 69 cents. Look at this, you guys can see us now. Totally awesome. Got my loot. I also found this really cool Pokemon vintage Pikachu shirt that was like a couple bucks. And they're selling on eBay for like 40 or 50, so. These things are
I'm
awesome.
back.
Tom's back. Tom still didn't find anything, so we're not going home until he finds something. So let's go to the next one. Haven't even been in the store for 5 minutes. I got these blank VHS tapes. Tom's got,
I like Hello Kitty. I don't know what to tell you.
I mean, he likes Hello Kitty. And I got these Adidas flats, basically brand new, $2. Pretty sweet. This is a pretty cool find. Goofy hat with long ears. A couple of stains and marks on it. And there's tons of them on eBay. So it's $3. They're selling for like 14. So I think I'm gonna pass. All right, Tom's first find of the day. A new wallet for himself. $2.
I'm gonna use the wallet that my dog ate to buy the wallet that is not eaten.
Found some good finds today at Goodwill. Tom managed to get a wallet for $1.99, and I got all this stuff. Tons of baggage, all stuff I'm gonna, go home and post on eBay, get it up tonight. I got this racket too, so I'm gonna go home, post it all on eBay, and hopefully make some sales. I even had a sale come through while I was just at this Goodwill for something that I bought at a garage sale for $2, sold it for 20. So that even paid for some of today's hunting. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like at the bottom and subscribe if you're not a subscriber, because I'm gonna have new content coming every week. I got some really cool videos I'm excited to share with you guys. And leave a comment below what you thought was the coolest item of the day, and have a great day. Peace.